brochure. I don't know what the heck this is. Oh, dear customer, kind of a greeting card. This is a quick start guide, and a user manual. Piece of cake. I like how they have the mop, velcroed, velcro, 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 velcro. Packaged really well. This is extra. Looks like, what the heck is this stuff? Oh, cool. It's just cleaning pads. Alright. Okay, what else do we have? Remote controller. We have go to your battery. I'm sorry, to go to your remote controller. There you go. I don't think I really need this. What else do we have? What the heck are these things? Oh, these are washers. I'm not gonna open them. And we have the filter. I'm not going to open this one because they already have a pre-installed HEPA filter, if I'm correct. That's a spare filter. Now let's get the main guy out. This guy weighs, ooh, it's pretty big. Oh, hey, look. Get two of these. So you get a spare brush. Wow, Proscenic really went out of their way. They give you spare parts. I think that's it. Yep, nothing else. Charging cord. No, sorry, charging station. And here's your robot. Oops. Wow. Even on the bottom, he has the arms sticking out, so you have to free the arms. Let's free the arms. There you go. And then you take the robot out. Wow, this is a really nice robot. The reason why I say it's really nice because I'll show you what I have. Charging station. Okay, so spare stuff I will set aside. Here's what you have. Charging block, remote control, so the spare equipment. I'll show you what I have before. This is what I currently have. It's an iRobot Roomba. It's a 675. Everybody knows this. It's really cheapy. It's pretty reliable, but my biggest complaint is this thing is stupid as hell. It gets lost and it always gets stuck underneath my couches. So I got this guy. There's this piece. It says, please remove this anti-collision EVA component before you use. There's another one on the other side too. Yep. And charging station. Oh hey, look, that's where this guy goes. And it just clips in, just like that. The reason why I'm not taking the HEPA filter out is because they already have a spare HEPA filter installed. Now all you need to do is do this. Ooh, this is pretty nice. They have, oh hey, check it out. Alright, if you have any questions, feel free to ask.